Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Christina. I have another Temu haul to share with you. I also will have a code that you could use if you're new to Temu, or if you just reinstated your app, you can go ahead and use that. And you can also save a $100 bundle. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this package of goodies. Okay, first thing I want to share is that I got some Kawaii, like almost a calendar, and there are little figures on here that I wanted to get. So let's go ahead and look into this package. And this wasn't that much, and actually this order did not take long to get here. But it's supposed to have mini figures on there. So I did get this one. How the back looks. Yeah, so there are miniatures on here. So it does have, this is almost like an advent calendar type of thing. So we'll look at one. So let's open it. So these are almost like the, look at that. How cute is that? They're actually smaller than I thought, but they are little charms that you get. And you do get, I think 12, maybe even more. 11, 12, 13, 14. No, you get 20. Look at that. I got that one. That's really cute. Let's see what else. Actually, let's go ahead and open it all up. Next one we have here at the Hello Kitty. That is cute. These would be nice for little dangles. Got that one. And I got another, I forgot his name, but I got another one. Another Hello Kitty. This one, this one, the Hello Kitty bunny. Look at that. Red Hello Kitty bunny. You got another blue one. Now you make like dangles and stuff, like journal charms. This is why I got them. This would be a good to have. And there's silicone. Look at the red one, the red bunny of Hello Kitty. Oh, look at that one. The pink Hello Kitty with the pink bow. Love it. Oh, look at this one. Yeah, Kawaii. How cute is that? Oh, I love these. Actually, and they weren't bad price. I want to say like $5, I think. 5 something. Another Hello Kitty. A Kawaii again. Oh, look at that one. Cinnamon roll. Yeah, cinnamon roll. So you might get doubles of everything. See, that's what it's looking. Oh, look, my Melanie. How cute is she? And all of these are little charms, so you can put a. You do have the hole in there. Cinnamon roll. My Melanie. So yeah, it looks like you get 2 of each. Which I love, love, love. Now I have little charms to add to dangles. Look at that. My Melody is a rabbit, purple. Oh, look at that one. Cinnamon roll. Oh, I love it. So these two should be the same in that roll. Yeah, you got the purple one. And then you got the cinnamon roll. Yeah, love it. This is a little cute little box. That goes for those charms. So I do like this. Love it. Like I said, it didn't cost. It wasn't that expensive. So that was that one. So now I got a lot of little charms I can use. Next thing I hauled is this. It's like a ruler, but it's also to keep your squares. Like I got it for like cards and stuff to square stuff off. I figured it would be a good crafting tool for that. So it's just a regular, like a ruler, but you can square it off like that. So that's actually real nice. Love this. And they had multiple. They had different colors. They have blue, and purple, pink, and I want to say, I think green. But yeah, they did have a few different colors of that. So got that one. Next thing I hauled are some neon spiders. These are a little bigger than nail charms. I think they are. Yeah, they're plastic. Look at that. They are flat in the back, so I got them so that I could put them on embellishments. So I got those ones. Like I said, these are not super big and they're not super tiny. Look at that. You get a variety of colors like that. Okay, I hauled some acrylics. I do like, if you've seen the other videos, I do like how they package it up. This is from the same shop that I got my other ones. So I do love how they package it up. Plus, they do give you a little case for it, which I even like even more. And these are Beetlejuice. And you do get 10 of them. And it does come with the hole in the middle. You could dangle them, but look at those. And it's a heart, but it is see-through. It does have, the back part does have a film on it, so you remove it, but the front part is, it gets a nice texture. So these are actually pretty good quality on it. Look at that. And it's a good thickness. So you do get 10 of those. And like I said, you do get a little container, which I love also. Another thing I hauled was this little frame die. So there's a frame die with some, so this clouds right here does come apart, so you'll take that off. But I got this for the stars and the clouds. So I got that. Love this one. I'm gonna see how this one cuts. Okay, I also hauled some more Kawaii. And I get these also to use them as dangles or even on beautiful pins. This is actually like almost a harder plastic, but you can still, they're still good to dangle it. The Kawaii. She came out of the package. I don't know why she was out. So they can roll me that one. I wonder if that was an extra. I have to look. So a purple one. Look at that. How cute is she? And I might do these for like the pins. You do see they got a little error right there when they unmold it. You can just cut that off. Look at that one. Kawaii. Purple. I got another black Kawaii. How cute is that? My Melanie. Oh, this one's real cute. Look at this one. In black and the red bow. And then this one in brown. Well, like a maroon. And like I said, you can always poke a hole in the bottom or put an eye screw on top. And then you gotta either dangle or even for a bead topper. And I think I'm using these for bead toppers. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see me put holes on those. I'll show you. They do have a little drill. Okay, next thing I have here, I hauled, now these are like bead wraps type of, how do I explain it? Okay, this is the flower is a rose, but what it is you put your bead on top. This is a spacer, there you go. So you put the bead on this side and another bead on the other side, and this is like the spacer in between. And these are roses. Look at that. Love it. So I got those. And then these are some more spacers. I'm going to take all of them out. Look at that. How pretty is that? They're real nice. That's more of them. Then when you get a little bag of them. Now I also hauled this glitter pink like what is it called? Well, not a trim, but a string. I got this so that I could put on my embellishment. So I did get a pink one. And you did get quite a bit. Look at that. And this shop has other colors. I've hauled, I want to say, I think I've gotten gray and gold so far. So I wanted the pink one. I'm gonna have to get some other colors. I think I've got a blue one that I want. And then the last thing I hauled was these. And they charm, I think they're flatbacks. But these are super, super cute. Oh, actually they're charms. How cute are these? Or like an Alice in Wonderland. Love it. And look how thick it is. And you do get 10. So these are like Alice in Wonderland teapots. Well, that's what they remind me. You get those. I was going to record another video, but didn't realize that this one only had the 3 items. So I'm adding this one to this video. The first thing I want to show you is I got some wool. I have some plans for the DIY. I got these just to try out to see how much you get out of it. And these is the pink and purple, so they do range from light to dark. You do also got the pinks. It does have your range of colors. Let's go ahead and look at this to see how much you get. I have a project in mind to use these with, but I want to know how much you get. Oh, actually, you get quite a bit. Yeah, you get quite a bit. Perfect. Alright, that's actually a really good deal right here. Yeah, look at that. And like I said, I got a project in mind to do with these. And I'll be doing a video on that. And in case you want to know what is this, this is stuff they used to do the, almost like the little felt characters. I'm not using that for that. I got something else to use, but that's what this is. So another thing I hauled is this like a black silver colored string, and I want to add it on some embellishments. Look at that. So just like I got the pink one, I got the like black. It was called black silver, I think. I got that one. You do get quite a bit of amount. So yeah, so I got that one. And then I also hauled these spacer beads. And these are actually really heavy. Look at that. And this is a big hole. Got those. And that is my little haul to share with you. I'll have all the links below if they are in stock. This right here was actually a pretty good buy. I really do like this because now I got 20 little charms to have and edit, and so was these. But yeah, I have all the links below. If they're in stock, make sure you subscribe, you like, and you comment in the video. I sure love to talk to you guys on there. So yeah, with that, God bless. Bye-bye.